everyone, my name's Millie Tang. I've been a bartender here in Australia for the last 10 years. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lychee and cucumber mule, which is an excellent drink to share with friends on a sunny day. So to begin with, we're going to add 10 mils of sugar syrup to our shaker. This is a shake and drink. Next, we're going to add 20 mils of lime juice. So we add our cheaper ingredients first, just in case we make a mistake or there's something wrong with one of the ingredients, then you're not having to toss out our more expensive ingredients, our alcohol. Next, we're going to follow up with 10 mils of lychee liqueur. So the lychee liqueur is going to add a really nice, beautiful, cool white note to this drink to contrast with the heat in the ginger beer. And finally, we'll add 30 mils of vodka. And then we're going to add 2 slices of cucumber, fresh cucumber, just to muddle. When we muddle, we just want to extract all those lovely flavors and mix it in to the rest of our drink. So the cucumber adds a really beautiful, nice, cool note along with that lychee. It just makes this drink a little bit more complex, a little bit more fun than a regular Moscow Mule, which is what this drink is based off. Now we're going to add some ice to our shaker. So what this is going to do is it's actually going to lower the temperature of our drink and also add dilution to equal out all the flavors. Plus it also helps to break apart that cucumber really nicely. And now we're going to give this a really nice hard shake. As we say, we want to wake it up, not put it to sleep. And now that our tin's nice and cold, we know it's ready. So we are going to be serving this drink down on a large ice cube in a tumbler today. So these glasses are actually really durable. You can put them in your dishwasher and they have a really lovely premium feel to them, which is excellent for cocktails. And we're going to double strain this drink just to keep all those little bits of cucumber and smaller pieces of ice out. And a little bit of ginger beer just to add some nice spice. And finally, we're going to add just a little bit of mint. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful lychee and cucumber mule. I really love this drink because it is a really nice, simple cocktail to make, especially at home. You have all those beautiful seasonal ingredients that we use, our mint, our cucumber, that hint of lychee with the ginger beer, which is a really perfect pairing. And this tumbler is a perfect option to serve this drink in. It does feel really premium in the hand, perfect for entertaining at home, and you can collect your quality glassware at Coles.